Do you have a QuickBooks issue that you just can't solve? Are you distracted from running your business because of bookkeeping issues? Well, if that's the case, then you're in the right place. This QuickBooks YouTube channel has everything you need regarding QuickBooks, and it's all absolutely free. My name is Mark Smolin. I'm the founder and CEO of Worldwide QuickBooks. I personally guarantee you the clearest possible explanation for every QuickBooks topic that ever was or will be. And again, it's all absolutely free here on this channel. QuickBooks is a beautiful software. It was created to free you from people who want to confuse you on purpose just to take your money. And I've spent my entire career trying to free people from confusion and other people who want to just take advantage of them because they don't know QuickBooks. You can even post questions on the community board or in the comments section of whatever video you want me to help you with. Don't be shy, I'm here to help.